everybody, welcome to Allison and Mommy channel. Today we're taking you guys to get a car wash in here, Ryan Shy. Oh, there's a lot of people today. Wow, a lot of people want to get their car wash. มาจ่ายเงินก่อนเนาะเอาวอชธรรมดาเนาะ$7จ่ายเงิน
Please take your receipt. Let's begin. Please thank you for your business. We look forward to seeing you again soon.
ถ้าให้เกตมันเปิดขึ้นแล้วเราก็เข้าไป Wait for the gate to open and go get a car wash. There you go. Let's go. You gotta wait in line. เข้าไปแล้วมันก็มีเข้า glove. You gotta get a pair of glove and you can leave some tip if you want. Whoa. We are inside. Here we go. Let's scrub. Whoa, Aston, you see it? Whoa. Clean. Rinse. Blow dryer. Whoa. Get somewhat clean. Vacuum. มาดูดพรมเองนะCar is nice and clean. Thank you for watching, everybody. See you guys next video. Bye.
Say bye. Bye.